Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike.
And today we are going to talk about something extremely important for every English learner.
Yes, today's topic is essential English vocabulary. Vocabulary is the heart of a language. Without words, we cannot express our ideas, our feelings, or even simple daily needs.
Exactly. Grammar is important, but vocabulary is what allows you to communicate.
Think about it. If you know the right words, you can still communicate even with simple grammar.
That's true. If you know words like water, food, help, or open, you can survive in almost any English conversation.
Survival English.
Yes, the first level of language learning.
So today we will share some essential English words that you can use in daily life.
And we will also show you how to use them in simple conversations.
Ready? Let's begin.
First, let's talk about everyday action words. These are verbs that people use all the time.
Words like go, come, eat, drink, work, study, and sleep.
These verbs describe daily activities.
For example, I can say, I go to work every day.
Or I study English every night.
Or my favorite sentence, I eat food.
Mike, that is the most basic sentence ever.
Yes, but it is still correct.
True, even simple sentences are powerful.
Now, let's try a small conversation using these words.
Okay.
Jessica, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I drink tea and eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work.
And in the evening?
I come home and study English.
That's a productive day.
Thank you.
See how easy that conversation was?
Yes, just a few simple verbs and we already have a real conversation.
Now let's talk about people words.
Words like friend, family, teacher, student, neighbor, boss, and coworker.
These words help us talk about relationships.
For example, this is my friend. He is my teacher. She is my neighbor.
I can say, my coworker is very helpful.
Or my teacher explains English very clearly.
Let's do another quick conversation.
Okay.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher is my favorite teacher.
Why?
Because she is kind and patient.
That's important for a teacher.
Yes, especially for English learners.
We need a lot of patience.
That's true.
Now, let's talk about place vocabulary.
Places are words that describe where something happens.
For example, home, office, school, market, restaurant, hospital, and park.
You can use these words in very simple sentences. I am at home. She works in an office. They study at school.
I love the word restaurant.
Of course you do.
Because restaurants usually mean food.
I knew you would say that.
Food vocabulary is very important.
Let's talk about it then.
Yes, words like rice, bread, chicken, vegetables, fruit, water, tea, and coffee.
These are common food words.
For example, I eat rice for dinner.
I drink tea in the morning.
Or she likes fruit.
Let's try another conversation.
Okay.
What is your favorite food?
I like chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious. What about you?
I love pizza.
Of course you do.
Pizza is international vocabulary.
That is true.
Now, let's move to feeling words.
These are very useful in conversations.
Words like happy, sad, tired, excited, nervous, relaxed, and busy.
For example, I am happy today. I feel tired. She is excited about her new job.
Sometimes when I teach all day, I say I am very tired.
And when students understand the lesson?
Then I say I am very happy.
That's the best feeling for a teacher.
Yes, it is.
Let's try a short emotional conversation.
Okay.
How are you today?
I am a little tired but happy.
Why happy?
Because I helped my students learn new words.
That's wonderful.
See, just a few vocabulary words can create a full conversation.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about daily routine vocabulary.
Words like wake up, brush, shower, eat breakfast, go to work, study, relax, and sleep.
These are very common expressions.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Then you can say, I go to work, I come home, I relax and watch TV.
Mike, do you watch TV every day?
Sometimes.
What do you watch?
Cooking shows.
Of course you do.
I love learning about food.
Maybe one day you will become a chef.
Maybe, but for now, I teach English.
That's a good choice.
Now, let's talk about important everyday adjectives.
Adjectives describe things.
Words like big, small, easy, difficult, fast, slow, beautiful, and interesting.
For example, this book is interesting. This lesson is easy. That building is very big.
Sometimes students say, English is difficult.
And we say, English is challenging, but you can learn it.
Yes, a positive mindset helps a lot.
Let's practice another conversation.
Okay.
Is English easy or difficult for you?
Sometimes it feels difficult.
That's normal.
But when I learn new words, it becomes easier.
That's the power of vocabulary.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about time vocabulary.
Words like morning, afternoon, evening, night, today, tomorrow, and yesterday.
These help you describe when something happens.
For example, I will study tomorrow. I worked yesterday. I am busy today.
Very useful for conversations.
Let's try another example.
Okay, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I studied English and watched a movie.
Nice. What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will practice speaking.
That's a great plan.
Thank you. Now I want to give listeners an important tip.
Yes, this tip can help you learn vocabulary faster.
Don't just memorize words.
Use them in sentences.
Speak them out loud.
Write them down.
And repeat them in daily conversations.
Another great technique is learning words in groups.
For example, food words together.
Or travel words together.
Or work words together.
This helps your brain remember faster.
Also, try describing your day using simple vocabulary.
For example, I wake up early. I drink coffee. I go to work. I come home. I watch TV. I sleep.
That's a full story using simple words.
Yes, and it builds speaking confidence.
Many students worry about big vocabulary.
But you don't need thousands of words at the beginning.
Even 500 common words can help you speak basic English.
The key is practice.
And consistency.
Learn 5 new words every day.
After 1 month, that's 150 new words.
After 1 year, that's more than 1,800 words.
Wow, that's a big vocabulary.
See? Small steps create big progress.
Before we finish, let's review a quick mini conversation using essential vocabulary.
Good idea. Hi, Jessica. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I am a little busy but happy.
What are you doing today?
Today, I'm teaching English and learning new vocabulary.
That sounds productive. What about you?
I am reading a book and practicing speaking.
Excellent.
See how natural that conversation was?
Yes, and it used simple vocabulary.
That's the secret to speaking English.
Start simple. Practice daily.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Every mistake teaches you something.
And every new word makes you stronger in English.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode.
We hope you learned some essential English vocabulary.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep learning new words.
And keep speaking with confidence.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then,
stay curious,
stay motivated,
and keep learning English.
Bye, everyone.